Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to add sound to a logo. There was a commenter on the forums that was saying, how do you add a sound effect to a logo or some kind of transition and have it available? So normally you'd have to drag down your video and your audio asset. So here I have a Fusion clip and a little bit of audio here. It goes like this. And what I did was highlight them, right click and make a new compound clip, and you give it a name. Now over here I have end comp, which is right here. If you ever need to change something about it, let's say you have text or a stack like that you need to change, you can just right click and say open in timeline. And if you needed to get access to just the individual elements, you have them right there. Here we could go over to Fusion and readjust it. So let's say we had this same audio here and we did some sort of text. Let's see, let's add this. Let's go ahead and decompose this in place. So this is just a text element. So if we want to make a new one here, right click, new compound clip, give it a name. It'll go into your destination folder. And now whenever you want to use it, you can just drop it on and there it is. And then if we needed to alter it, right click, open in timeline, we've got access to the original element. You can change the text and then close that out and go back to here and you could see it's already changed in the updated comp. And that's it. So that's how you can add a sound effect to a logo and just have it all the time where you can still modify it and have it as a single drag and drop item. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.